In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see calendar on Salesforce. By the end, you'll have the calendar added to your navigation so it's always just a click away. We'll walk through the built-in customization in Salesforce's Lightning experience, keeping things simple and clear. Start on your Salesforce home page. This is your landing area after you sign in, and it usually shows key dashboards, tasks, and recent records. Make sure you're in the Lightning interface and in the app, where you want calendar to appear in the top navigation bar. Look to the top right of the navigation bar for a small pencil icon. This pencil opens the personalized navigation panel. It's designed for quick changes that affect only your view in the current app, so you can tailor what you see without impacting anyone else. If you don't see the pencil, you may be in a classic view or an app where editing is restricted by your admin. When the panel opens, choose Add More Items. This brings up a list of features and objects you can add to your nav bar. It's the easiest way to bring frequently used tools like Calendar front and center so you don't have to dig through menus. Switch the filter to All. This ensures you're searching across the full catalog of available items in your org, not just what's already in your navigation or recently used. Using All avoids missing the calendar if it isn't currently visible in your app. Use the search box and type calendar. Keep it simple and let Salesforce narrow the list for you. As you type, matching items will appear. Searching is faster and more accurate than scrolling, especially in orgs with many custom objects or apps. Select Calendar from the results. You should see it listed as a standard Salesforce feature. Clicking it will stage Calendar to be added to your navigation. This doesn't replace anything. It just makes Calendar accessible from the top bar, alongside items like Home, Accounts, or Opportunities. Finally, click Add One Nav Item. This confirms your choice and applies the change. You'll return to your app with Calendar now visible in the navigation bar. From here on, you can open your calendar directly to review your agenda, switch between day, week, or month views, and stay on top of events and meetings without leaving your workflow. That's it. You started on the home page, used the pencil icon to personalize your navigation, searched for calendar, and added it with a single click. If calendar doesn't appear, your organization may restrict access, so check with your administrator. Otherwise, enjoy faster access to your schedule right from the Salesforce nav bar.